Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Android Data Recovery. In this video, I will show you how to turn on Gemini on Samsung phone in detailed steps. So, let's start the video. But before proceeding with this video, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we post a new video. Gemini is a truly helpful personal AI assistant from Google. Whether you are studying, organizing ideas, or exploring visuals, Gemini helps you stay productive with simple, conversational interactions. To activate Gemini on Samsung phone, open the Google app and tap the profile picture. Go to Settings, then tap on Google Assistant, Digital Assistants from Google. Now, select Gemini. In the Gemini app settings, ensure Talk to Gemini and voice activation are enabled. Alternatively, open the Google Play Store on Samsung phone. Search for Google Gemini app and install it. Open the app and follow the prompts to switch from Google Assistant to Gemini. Long press the side key. Swipe up from the bottom corner of the screen on many models. Say, "Hey Google," to start a conversation. When on a web page or app, activate Gemini and tap Ask About This screen to analyze content. So, this is all about how to turn on Gemini on Samsung phone in detailed steps. If you found this video useful, then give it a like and subscribe to our channel to watch more useful videos.
Thanks for watching.